In a world driven by energy, the future belongs to energy that gives back. Clean, responsible, sustainable. At Akbarpur Oud, Luxor Roofsol delivers a 6 megawatt solar power project for one of India's most trusted industrial leaders, Shree Cement Limited. From design to execution, from planning to commissioning, this project reflects Roofsol's commitment to perfection, performance, and partnership. Every panel placed with intent. Every connection engineered for efficiency. Every detail aligned to deliver consistent, reliable solar power at scale. With an installed capacity of 6 megawatts, this solar plant supports industrial operations while significantly reducing carbon impact. A step forward in responsible manufacturing. This is where industry meets intention, where performance aligns with purpose, and sustainability becomes a measurable reality. At Roofsol, we don't just build solar plants. We build energy systems that industries can trust for the long run. Powering progress, empowering industries. Roofsol, building a cleaner tomorrow.